Great.
Maria is amazed. I feel the view. We'll be there sooner. We go to see Brooklyn Bridge and try to catch sunrise. We are walking around and I am saying all the time we are in New York, because it doesn't seem real sometimes. The colors are amazing. We are next to the 368 and Casey Neistat studio. There, I spent hours watching his videos, and that's his studio. We spend nights watching it, and it's cool. Casey Neistat just passed by us running. We can go back to Poland. We made everything we wanted. He just almost. He passed by us running the Brooklyn Bridge, and now it's packed with people. I don't know why she left me. I have to go back and forward. We are in Dumbo. In the hall, not here, you can see the Empire State Building. To balance that yesterday we saw the rats, we saw a cute squirrel today jumping on the grass. It's so cool that we are seeing this kind of, I'm going to call them oases in the city, but it's kind of, you are in such a dense city and suddenly you have this small pocket. It's the most quiet place we've been since coming to New York. There's no we are surrounded by streets, but you don't listen to the traffic, the ambulance, the police, and everything. Well, of course you see the trees, and then behind the trees there comes a skyscraper, because it's New York City. But we are having a break, and we have 2 people playing different musics here. Hard to try to understand, so maybe there will not be any copywriting on this, or if there will be from 2 different companies. But here,
I doubt it.
people are.
Ouch! It's painful.
It is a bit painful. We arrived to Roosevelt Island. It was really cool, but really fast, 4 minutes. And we have
That
this.
was 4 minutes?
I don't think it's I don't know.
1 minute tops.
She saw the K-pop warriors? No, the K-pop Demon Hunters with Gaia.
And the songs are so good.
And I'm full of those songs. Now we're going to catch a ferry, the NYC ferry, to go to the financial district.
I don't know, Manhattan?
Yes, but
I think yes,
downtown Manhattan, which is closer to where we are staying.
And
Call it a day. My favorite thing that you made until now. Like $5.
I don't know. I cannot imagine there's so few people here actually.
In the boat?
Yeah.
Oh, like it's so cool. We just went from Roosevelt Islands and we are arriving to
Wall Street.
Wall Street. And 40 minutes, you say?
Yeah.
And it's so cool.